everyone, we're here at the Southampton Boat Show. What is it that we're looking to see today? It's such a weird time. Where is the gin?
Yeah, I agree. We need gin. Cheers. Kingfisher with a new bow thruster. What's a bow thruster? Well, a bow thruster is a little propeller installed at the bottom of the bow, and it helps to push the front of the boat left or right. The River Dart has really strong tides, so this upgrade will easily help. Special thanks go to Vetus Paul for his great advice and tips.
Number 2.
So anyway, we've just gone and booked Amy on her day skipper, and that's going to be in Greece at Sunsail. Again, we've used Sunsail before, awesome company, so we're really, really happy and excited about that.
Yay! Let's go.
Gin number 3. Okay, so here we are. It's the end of the day. It's been a glorious day. It's been absolutely amazing. So there's been a lot of stuff that we've seen today. We've seen the Vetus out, the Vetus
Bow thruster.
Yeah, that's the one. Vetus bow thruster.
We have 3 gins.
Yeah, we have had
and a rum.
3 gins and a rum. And also we've been celebrating the awesomeness of what you.
I have booked my day skipper with Sunsail in Greece for next year. I am so excited that, and I've got a free rum. I think that's probably what's swung it, to be honest. So yeah, awesome, can't wait, just can't wait. So we saw bow thrusters, and we're going to get a quote for that, and they're going to send it to our local yard for a complete installation quote as well, which is awesome.
Liferaft.
So liferaft, so yeah, that in the bag. I haven't bought it, but we're going to do a little bit more investigation and make sure it's the right one, but that seems like a good option for us as well, right size and stuff.
Yeah. And we think we've seen a replacement dinghy as well, although we need to check that out a little bit more to see the size where it'll fit.
We love Terry. Terry was our sales guy, very, very helpful, and we did love the dinghy, and bless him, we got it out, we sat in it, we tried it out.
Yeah, practically. Yeah.
But we just want to see what it was like. Andy and I are pretty strict with checking reviews out and making sure that we're doing the right thing. We like to see other people's opinions and stuff before we actually spend the money and buy something. So it's a lot of money.
It is, it's a lot of money.
And we want to make sure it's the right one, what we need. So we're not just going to go in, although after having 3 gins and a rum,
I thought you were going to buy it at one point.
I was going to buy it.
Yeah. So, now, We need to check it out
So,
first.
yeah, and we've also seen, more importantly, deal of the day, drinks holders. We broke ours.
Oh yeah.
Our gins slide all over the cockpit. We can't have that anymore.
No.
We've got a drinks holder in the bag. Just need to order it, and then we're good
Yeah,
to go.
get that
So
sorted.
yeah, that's the most important steal of the day, I reckon.
Yeah. So I think it's been quite productive today. It's been a good session. It's been a good one.
It's been a good day. Always is though. Southampton Boat Show, love it. Great atmosphere, festive atmosphere. A few little drinks, chips, and
This chips and curry is amazing. It's really nice.
yeah, it's been awesome. If you get an opportunity, get your tickets. I think there's a few discount tickets available, so I'm sure it's a bit down there. It's free. It's on this week, isn't it?
It is on next week, but if not this week or this time, certainly next year. Plan for that because
It's good.
we come every year and there's
That's
always
one thing.
something.
We always look at stuff and then not buy it, but it's good to investigate and see what your options are.
Well, it's just to see what's latest and
Of course
greatest.
it is, exactly.
Because another thing that we also looked at was some of the boats that are on the marina, and I'm not going to lie, nothing really compares to what we have in Kingfisher, and also some of the older designs. A lot of the newer designs, they kind of look a bit like Lego.
We're going to sound really cliche. Not that bit. We'll just finish it.
Yeah.
It's going to sound really cliche. They don't make boats like they used to.
No.
And I think that's... I can't believe I just said that. But I'm going to say it. Because our boat is awesome. Awesome design. The boats, they look luxurious. They look beautiful. But in a practical sense, with actual sailing, and you've got to take into consideration barnacles and mould and green stuff and spillage and dog hair and bird poo. It just doesn't stay like it. You need something hardy and practical and comfortable, and a lot of them like it don't cut it. But each thing.
So, until the next time, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, if you like what we're doing, please, subscribe, like the video, and thank you very much. See you again.